Today we'll be merging duplicate records. So I'm going to use contacts. I made some duplicates. First, you want to make sure that you have this on your contacts page, or whatever the page layout for whatever record you're using. To do that, you can go to the cog in the top right, edit page. Mine's already here, but it's potential duplicates. So go to the left, potential duplicates, and you could just drag it in. Once you have this on your page, you may notice that the duplicates aren't being detected, even though we know we have duplicates here. This is because by default it uses the standard matching rule, which can usually be too specific for the duplicates you're trying to find. So we need to make our own. To do this, we go to Setup, in the quick find box, type duplicate, and that'll bring out our matching rules and our duplicate rules. First, we need to make a matching rule, which basically compares fields between two records and determines if it's a match. So I'll make a new rule, object, contact. My rule name will be name match. Under matching criteria, first you select the field that you're comparing. I'm going to do first name and last name. Matching method determines how they're compared. So if you select exact, it'll say they're a match only if they're exactly the same. If you select fuzzy, they can be slightly off and still be detected as a match. To start off, I'm going to do exact. I know my first name fields are blank in the duplicates examples I created, so I need to check this off, match blank fields. Save. And activate. Next, we need to create a duplicate rule. Go to duplicate rules, new rule. I'm using contacts. Rule name will be name duplicate. Record level security determines if the matching rule will compare records that the user doesn't have access to. So if you enforce the sharing rules, it won't compare them. If you bypass the sharing rules, it will compare them. I'm going to do enforce. Actions determines what happens either when they create a duplicate or they edit a duplicate. You can straight up just block them from doing it, or you can allow it and create an alert that pops up and report it. And down here is what pops up. So you can type in whatever you want for the alert. Matching rules is where you select the matching rule that we just created. So my matching rule is under contacts, and my matching rule is called name match. You can add multiple matching rules under a single duplicate rule if you want to, and you can either further narrow the duplicate rule by adding further conditions down here. I'm just click save, activate. Now if we go back to dupe, it says we have two potential duplicates. And it'll bring up a list, if you just click there, of the potential duplicates. So I'll match these two, say they're duplicates, go to next. So bring up this page in which you select which values for each field that you want to choose when you merge the fields. So the one you don't choose will be deleted, the one you choose will be kept. So I'll pick this one, and yep, go to next. Gives you a warning that you can't undo once you merge, but I want to merge, so I'll keep going. And this merged this field. So if you go back, there's one less dupe here because we merged them together. If you go back into our potential duplicates, you may notice that it's only showing this duplicate and not these two, dupe1 or dup3. And that's because we chose exact match instead of fuzzy match. So if we go back to matching rules, create a new rule. Call it fuzzy name match. And I'll use the same fields, first name, last name, and instead of exact, I'm going to choose fuzzy. I'll save that, I'll activate it, and instead of creating a new duplicate rule, I'm just going to edit the one we already made and select our new fuzzy name match. Save. Now if we go back to dupe, we have 3 potential duplicates. So you can set the matching rule to be fuzzy or exact. Lastly, you can manually merge fields if you go to Salesforce Classic. So if I go to my user in the top right, switch to Salesforce Classic. So I click this plus up here and go to Accounts. I'll click Dickinson because I know there's dupes for that. And I scroll down to Contacts. I see this button up here. It says Merge Contacts. So I can just manually click which contacts I want to merge. So just click all 3 of them. Next. It's the same thing as in Lightning. You can click which fields you want to keep and which ones you want to delete. So I want it to be called dupe, duper, and yep, keep that, and I'll click merge. Gives you a warning, okay, and now they're merged. If I go back to Lightning, clicking this in the top, merged. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Salesforce cloud tips and tricks. Also, check the link in the description to subscribe to our Connex newsletter, where we curate the latest and greatest cloud content to help you become more effective and more aware of the tech that can help your business scale efficiently. Finally, if you need some support for our projects or want to bounce some ideas off us, head over to our website and let us know how we can help. Thanks again for listening.